Alright people, so here we are going now. This is the video of how it all started. You see what I say? So I could talk about it. I could just watch it first and then talk about it.
So then I try to stop it somewhere, Jesus Christ. And then sit down. But it look like he can't stop.
Now, here's what me can't understand. Zine, if you watch the video, you know, you realize gas a spew out. Seeing? If you look good, you see it look them see gas gateway. Gas a spew out. You understand? And then look past this brother here. Look past the brother. Yeah, one brother there sit down, casual like say it's nothing wrong. Look past him, the brother in the green shirt. You see what I say? The girl in the blue, she just did a casually walk like say, oh gosh, hey, gas a spew out and no big deal. And look what happened. The friggin' thing explode. So based on new news are coming, me hear say when them see the gas a spew out, the same man where you see burn up in the previous video where I walk, pass there with one lighter and one cigarette. You see what I say? And then from there so, you know what happen. Sparks fly and an explosion happen. You see me? But me can't understand this. How the hell this brother, see even the girl in the video so them can't do something to make the gas stop spew. Them two people look there. The two people them stand up there. One casually sit down, dip on him phone, and this girl in the blue just a walk and like say, oh, gas a spew out, it's nothing wrong. Yo, me I tell you, man. Yo, boy, me I tell the people. Yo, let me know what you think in the comments here, man. Let me know what you think, cause trust me. Brother, the people them just lose them life just like that. You see what I say? No urgency in seeing say that is a dangerous thing for the gas to spew out like that. No sense of urgency, you know. This man sit on side of the gas pan him phone, brother. Yo, I'm know what you think here, man.